Today's topic is physical impairments for that some students are faced with, their challenges and the adaptations needed in order to have a successful learning experience. Physical impairments or disabilities can be defined as any disability which limits the physical function of limbs or an individual's fine or gross motor ability. Just as there are numerous physical disabilities, so are the root causes. It is important to note that not all disabilities are visible. There are cases where a student suffers from some sort of hearing or visual impairment, while others face mental retardation or congenital heart defects. Most of these impairments will occur either during birth or during a person's lifetime. Examples include, but are not limited to, traumatic brain or spinal cord injury, cerebral palsy, muscular dystrophy, amputations, stroke, or poliomyelitis. A majority of these conditions usually lead to partial or total paralyzation of the individual's body, greatly reducing the ability to maneuver and or manipulate on a daily basis. When discussing students, the genetic disorder, accident injury, disease, or virus illness can cause such impairments for the individual significantly, which limits a student's motor, sensory, or cognitive ability to perform schoolwork. Whatever the case may be, accommodations must be made in order for the individual involved to be successful in the educational setting. Each student is unique, so the idea that a single accommodation will work for all should not be followed. Accommodations can be defined as physical or assistive modifications to a course that enables a student to have the same academic opportunities as their non-disabled peers. It is imperative to keep in mind that the accommodations should evolve along with the student. Unlike modifications, which alter the school curriculum being taught, accommodations are utilized to aid the impaired with the educational task at hand. Students with physical impairments have difficulty performing many tasks necessary for learning, such as writing, speaking, sitting, walking, eating, and or drinking independently. Adaptive accommodations will ultimately change how a student performs in school. Some of the adjustments that may be incorporated are allowing for extended time to complete assignments, adjusting the amount of work, or allowing for assistive technology, such as the use of computers to help with writing. No longer will they be deemed incapable of functioning at a no longer will they be deemed incapable of functioning at high level academically. Other adaptations include enlarged and color-coded features on keyboards, larger font size and boxes on paper, grips for writing, stabilizers for holding books and papers, modifications to text and the background color, and speech feedback for those with auditory impairments. Those involved, parents, students, teachers, and the IEP team should be aware of the ability level of the student being addressed in order to provide positive and obtainable educational goals. The student as well as the parents need to know that they are not alone in this journey. There are a number of professionals that are ready and able to support and assist the student in becoming a positive success story and not another negative statistic.